I said, tell me if you love me, it's apparent that you won't. You say that you enjoy your present company, but I know that you don't. Said I was your favorite boy to get high, when I'm a thorn in your side. I don't understand. You know that you're both my paddles. How'd you leave me in the boat? That's okay. I've walked these streets alone before, but they're much prettier with you. Find the beauty of another kind. Everything's better with you. Why you always leave me in the summertime? With you. Summertime. Sometimes I get so goddamn mad, wasting time waiting for you. I'm sitting around waiting for something I already had, and I don't know what I did, so I don't know what to do. My forehead right square in my hand. I don't care what the fuck I did. I don't care where the fuck you're at. And I just miss you so goddamn bad. And you made it where there's nothing I can do about that. And you claim you don't care, but you sure seem mad. Thought about 100 fucking things that I could do about that. If you fucking come back. I found a seat on the last train out, thinking I gotta get out of here, I don't care where. Saw my reflection in the window, I was trying to look out. I was like, who's that there? Hard to recognize him without her. You always tell me you're not mine, at least you're consistent. Guess I'll go it alone, give it a whirl. Tell me you love me, these words have definition. Always so insistent that you have to be free, that you don't belong to me. Tell me what's so fucking bad about being mine, girl. Tell me what's so bad about being mine, girl.